What's up guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from Peter Obi and he was live in Houston, Texas, and that's the highlight I'll be bringing to you here in the video. His arrival was something very unique, and we Nigerians, we love to always respect those people we hold in high esteem, and the way he was really welcome at that particular event, so beautiful and amazing to really share here in the channel, and that's what I'll be doing here. And as always, he always has a wonderful and a unique speech to present at every given occasion. Enjoy the highlight. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, it's not a concert. Take picture.
Thank you for calling my mom for my 70th birthday in Nigeria.
That was a tough shot. I don't know how.
They said you're wrong, but you're wrong. Which is what we need, which is what I'm appealing to you. This night, I want to learn from you. You live in the first world. Tell us what you're looking for. Tell us what you want us to do. But insist, we are 18 people going to contest to be president. Don't say you've chosen P2. No. Listen to 18 of us. Let them come. Not through crossroad. Let them come to us. They'll speak to you. And they are speaking. Let them show you what they've done in the past. We want to know their name, their age, schools they went to, have to
Verify.
when people are campaigning here to be president and everything, don't they move from one state to the other? Yes. They even go overseas and talking to Americans, other places. Yes. That's why I'm here. So let them come and do the same thing. Yes. Let them bring people like that to come here. Let them bring people like that to come here who hold responsible. Not because you are going to hold him responsible when you can no longer reach me. You say it was you who came with this man here. I will tell you people are serious. It's for the southeast, for the Igbo man. I'm not running on that ticket. Don't vote for me because of religion. Don't vote for me because it's my tongue. Don't vote for me because of connection and any other bias. Put all of us on a scale. Verify our background. Election of 2023 must be about character, competence, capacity, and commitment to the leader.
All right. Can we give His Excellency Peter B. a round of applause?
And now meeting Your Excellency Peter Obi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start, I am very obedient and useful.